maglalayas ka, mahanap na kita. Feeling ko nang parang it's time i-reward ko naman ulit yung sarili ko. It's a good deal na for a brand new Lindy 26. It's the all-new Mini Cooper Aceman. It's an all-electric car. We're here at Mini Philippines and BGC. Actually, naghahanap talaga kami ng bagong car. Kasi yung first European car namin was bought 7 years ago. ROI na siya. Parang gusto na mamahinga. De, joke lang. Feeling ko nang parang it's time i-reward ko naman ulit yung sarili ko. In-invite ako ni Mini Philippines to experience their first ever all-new electric car na Mini Aceman. Thank you. Syempre, parang nakakatuwa na pinapa-experience muna nila bago ako bumili. And I really appreciated that. Thank you. So, ito yung ipapa-experience nila sa akin. So, ito siya, si Mini Aceman. So, ka-color pa nung ano natin, branding. So, ka-color din ng bag ko. Ayan. Family of blue. Galing. Kasi magre-rebrand talaga si First Mason ng blue. So, sakto, yung pina-experience din nila na Mini Cooper is blue. Parang na feel nila.
Ay.
Naka-blue din, oo. So, let's go. Let's try. Meet lang natin si Miss May.
Hinintay nga po sana kayo ng GM namin.
Oh.
Kaya lang may meeting siya eh.
Sorry na, delay.
Saka yung kasi mahilig, alam mo na, yung
Mahilig sa
mahilig
bags.
sa bags.
Ikaw ba, ma? Mahilig ka?
Mahilig mo ako pero I don't
Soon.
use yung mga luxury everyday. Kasi,
Pang occasion.
this one, for the new model, it is equipped with the Mini Connected Drive. So, we have a mini app where you can download. Tapos, you can connect your phone and then open, unlock your car using your phone. You can also locate it kahit hindi nyo po gamit. Like, for example, dala ni husband or ng kids nyo po, may kita nyo po kung nasan yung car.
So parang siyang find my iPhone, gano'n. Find my mini naman. So pag maglalayas ka, mahanap na kita. Tawag pala.
Yun po yung patibong talaga yun
Sa mga husband.
Usually, hindi po namin sinishare sa mga husband niya.
Oo nga eh.
Sa mga wife lang.
Oo. So yung mga wife, bagay ito sa inyo. May question ako, paano pag nagasgasan ko, akin na? De, joke. Joke.
So this is the full electric, so yung Aceman. So this is 2025 year model. So nilaunch lang namin siya ma'am last Feb lang. Actually ma'am, okay siya for family talaga. If you're a family of 4, okay siya kasi yung convenient ng pagsakay sa likod. So ito ma'am, ito yung interior ni Mini. So this is 2025 year model. So this is the 9.5 inches infotainment and this is OLED. So Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready na siya ma'am. So meron din siyang built-in na navigation.
Cute.
Ayan. And then si Mini ma'am, ito na kasi ma'am yung bago niyang key. So we have 2 key fob and then 1 NFC card. Yung camera naman natin ma'am, wala tayong 360 degree. But sensored naman ma'am yung 360 niya.
Yesterday, merong client na nagpunta. Wala tayo because due to heavy rain. So, I hope everyone is safe and dry. Right now, we're going to showroom. Sayang, dalawa yung binili ng client natin kahapon. First time client. Dalawa yung binili niya. Yung una, yung Constance 18 in black. Palladium hardware, stamp Z. It was actually featured sa vlog namin ni Sir Kevin. So, I hope napanood niyo yun. Sobrang saya. Sobrang chaotic nung video na yun. Ang saya lang, ang gaan. Thank you, Sir Gavin, again. So, yung Constance 18, it's almost new. 10 over 10 yung condition niya. 710,000. Comes full set with story seat. Tapos, dinagdagan pa ni Madam ng Lindy 26, the brand new. The color is Gris Pantan. It's actually the newest color from Hermes. Nirelease lang siya ng Spring-Summer collection. So, very recent lang. So, yung price niya is 583,000 pesos. Yes, that's a good deal na for a brand new Lindy 26. So, sayang, hindi ko siya na-meet. Dalawa pa naman yung binili niya. And, hi, Madam. I hope you're watching right now. Ito naman ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang ating dinadrive. This is the all-new Mini Cooper Aceman. It's an all-electric car. So, yung Mini Philippines, they let me experience first how it feels like driving an all-electric car. This is actually my first time to drive an electric car. So, ang sarap sa feeling. Ang gaan niya i-drive. Gusto natin yun yung magaan sa pakiramdam. Ayaw natin ng mga pabigat sa life. Ang sarap talaga ng maliit na car kasi ang dali niyang isingit. bilis niyang i-drive. In fairness to this ha, kahit electric car siyang bilis. Sobrang bilis niya. Parang ako naka-sports car. Para siyang bump car. Hindi mo ramdam na hirap yung makina. I think that's the good thing about having an electric car. Ang gaan niya talaga i-drive. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Super smooth and ang gaan. So thank you Mini Philippines for letting me experience the all-new Aceman electric car. Thank you. Tomorrow ata pagsusoli ko na to. Baka pwede extension. Kasi actually naghanap talaga ako ng bagong car. They reach out. Baka daw makonsider ko tong Mini Cooper. And then yun, in-experience muna nila bago ako bumili. Thank you.